So in this video, I'm going to show you how you play Among Us. Let me go into a game so that I can actually show you in game how everything works. So we go online and then public. Let's find a game. Let's just go down and choose one, whatever. This that has 6, booty putty. Great, so we are in a game. Now, in a game you will have 10 people, and these 10 people are the crew. Now, one out of those 10 people is an imposter. What the imposter does, it kills everyone, and he has to do it unnoticed. So I can be the imposter, or anyone else out of the other 10 people can be the imposter. So, for example, you get on the top left, you get like a to-do list of what you need to do, but they're not really part of the game. And you have this map. This map has like different stations of places you need to go and do the tasks. You don't really need to do the task, but if you don't do them, then you look like the imposter. So that's why you kind of like just go around, do your tasks. Okay, this person just killed me. You see that the orange one is the imposter. Let's follow him. So he's the imposter because he just killed me. You see, he killed me in this room over here, and then he moved right away from the room, and I'm pretty sure that he's gonna come now. Like, okay, so let's check the chat. Now they're all asking like, where was the body found? My body. And now the crew has to like gather all the clues to see where was the body found and who killed it. You see the orange one asking like where? He's pretending that he doesn't know where the body was found so that people don't suspect of him. So that's basically how you should go about. Like, if you're the imposter, you just kill someone, one of the crew members, and then you just pretend that it wasn't you so that people don't find out. And if people think it is you, they will vote, and then you will be ejected from the ship. Let's see if someone gets ejected here. You see, in this round, since no one had any clue to what happened, everyone skipped the voting and no one was ejected from the game. So now we go one more round, everyone from in the middle again. Now let's follow the real imposter here, this orange one, and see what he does. He's just gonna pretend that he's like normal, he doesn't do anything, that he's just part of the crew. Let's see, the red one went into the middle to call an emergency meeting. An emergency meeting is like, you can only call for a vote in 2 occasions: when you find a body and when you call an emergency meeting. You see, the red one called the emergency meeting to call on the white one because he saw him through the vents. And that's not true, because the actual imposter is the orange one. And you see, he's blaming the white one so that the white one gets voted and all the attention gets diverted from him. The vents are, you will see it when you go in game, but the vents are like this underground tunnels that the imposter can move through the rooms. So you see that the red one falsely reported the white one and they kicked him out. That's the beauty of the game. So this right here, you see this square right here, this is the vent. Oh my god. Okay, that is very annoying. You see, no one really has a clue of what happened, and they just kicked out the white one. So that's the beauty of the game, that you don't really have a clue of anything that's going on, and people can just like go on false information. You see the vent? That's what you call venting. He just went from one room to another through the vents, and that's what the imposters do. And if you see someone going through the vents, then you know that that person is an imposter. So the imposter now called up a meeting. Let's see what he says. This round is very annoying because they've called 3 emergency meetings, and that's something that you don't really do much. And you can only call one emergency meeting per round. So you gotta be careful with what you do. For example, the orange was bold and called an emergency meeting, him being the imposter, and I think the yellow one is catching up on it. You see, I think maybe orange is the one. So let's see who gets voted out on this one. Nice. So you see, they voted out the orange because it was too bold, and then he raised too much suspicions. So now the crew won the game because we were able to spot who the imposter was. So that's basically how the game goes. You just go with clues and talking to the friends and depending on what you see and stuff like that, to figure out who the imposter is. So that's the basics of the game. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends, and stay safe out there.